For this video, our installation will be over cement backer board using MAPEI's Mapelastic WRB. It can be installed with a standard roller, power roller, brush or airless sprayer. We will be attaching the MSV Veneer units with MAPEI's Mapabond VM Super, a mortar exceeding the ANSI A11 8.15 ET standard. Mix the mortar with the proper water ratio according to the product's technical data sheet using a slow-speed mixing drill. Before you begin your installation, take time to create your pattern. The back-buttered MSV unit should be firmly worked onto the substrate and slid slightly back and forth, or with a slight rotating motion. The mortar will start to grab within a few seconds of the setting movement process. At this point, no further movement of the MSV unit should be made. Clean excess extruded mortar with the trowel. When it comes to curb appeal for your home or business, investing in adhered manufactured stone veneer siding is at the top of smart design choices. For more information about MAPEI's MSVS line or to contact us, visit our website at www.mapei.com